Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to go through a product called Onyxx. Now in a nutshell, this is a video creation tool that also has a little bit more functionality thrown in. So it allows you to create live events, which they say will drive lots of traffic. There's also some affiliate product analysis tools added into the software, as well as the usual types of dashboards. So this is due to be released on Saturday the 18th of July at 9 AM Eastern, and it comes from Artflair, Polab Gosal and Ram Raywat, and apologies if I mispronounce their names. So guys, as normal, we're going to go through the product. I'll take you in the members area. We'll go through the sales page. I'll show you a couple of things on the sales page. We'll have a look at the upgrades. I'll tell you what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product. And then we'll go through a summary and I'll give you my view around how valuable I think this would be to your business. So as normal guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years of buying products just like this one online. Actually, in this case, having a YouTube channel myself, so understanding what works on YouTube to drive traffic. And the aim of the reviews is to give you more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any types of products online. So just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I publish new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using YouTube, go ahead and check out the link in the description below and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So just a very brief overview of the sales page, and I will go back to it once I go through the members area. They're saying this is perfect for newbies, works within minutes, gets all the traffic you need, runs on complete autopilot, works in any niche, no experience required, live that laptop lifestyle. It's a web-based app and you get a 30-day guarantee. So newbies, traffic, complete autopilot, no experience required has pushed all of the emotional buttons so far. So let's go ahead and look in the actual members area and see what we're actually getting here. So here we are over on the Onyxx dashboard. Now this is the usual type of cloud-based software you get these days. They're all very similar. So again, all these numbers at the top just relate to the various functions that you can actually do here. So you can do searches, you can do video creation, you can do YouTube analysis, and you can do something called sentiment analysis. And this is just telling you how many you've carried out. And then this just tells you how many videos you created over the last 7 days and some of the custom videos you've actually got here with the actual video links to the actual videos you created. So if I just press any of these video links, it'll show me what videos have been created so far. Okay, stop that one. So I'll just go through the left hand side here and then we'll go through the video creation piece first. Now, you got some purchased products here. You got some live training link here, which is actually this training here. Which, in fairness, some of this training is okay. I've gone through this training and some of the stuff around YouTube is okay. Artflair takes you through some training around how to do good thumbnails, how to optimize your videos for traffic, around having the right descriptions, having the right titles, having the right tags, the usual stuff. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Then some of these other stuff is around some more bonuses that you get if you go ahead and join this. So training is okay. Then you have some ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus analysis tools, which I'll actually show you how they work. You've got this product sentiment analysis, which is an interesting one. Again, I'll take you through that. Some video analysis here that you can go ahead and search YouTube and look at some videos. Live vid ranker here, that's one of the upsells. Live case study, another upsell. Image video creator, which is the actual video creation tool in this. An image editor, and then you can create a YouTube event here. There is a gallery here for the various types of images and videos that you can go ahead and use. These are all free from Pixabay stock videos for when you're actually creating your particular videos. So let's go to the video creation piece first. Now you can come here and you can actually go ahead and create a video. So if I wanted to come and create a custom one, just come along and you can have a title for your video, and then you can go along and actually search for images. So you can either search them on your own particular PC, or you can go ahead and look at Pixabay for some of your images. Now this is $17. This video creation tool is super cheap, and at one point during the demo they actually compare it to some of the bigger videos on YouTube and saying that, you know, you can get a video and actually reproduce what they're doing on these other videos, and it couldn't be further from the truth. So this is super cheap video creation because you're only ever using images. So you go along here and you put, I don't know, jump higher, jump high. That's just one image. I need more than that. Let's just put dogs then. You can come along here and just add various dog pictures, and this is essentially going to be my video. Okay, so I've added some there. Press done. Want to select images? Yes. Then I'm going to select an audio. Again, you have to go in your own PC and get your audio. There's none included. And you have some audio text here. Apparently you can have some AI speech that you can go ahead and use here. Hi, this is my dog video. And then you create. And then what will happen then, that'll go off and render. So while that's rendering, I'll show you some of the functionality. If you want to just upload these to your channel, you've got to download them and upload them to YouTube, unless you want to use this YouTube event functionality, which is a way that you can actually go ahead and create an event in YouTube. Now, events do rank very, very quickly in YouTube, but they soon fall away because YouTube sees that there's nobody actually watching them and there's no kind of engagement with it. So very quickly in the rankings, they'll drop. Just like a lot of new videos, when people tell you about ranking videos in YouTube and they all show you a quick example, go ahead and check if it's still there, because most of my videos rank number 1 or 2 instantly. But then, of course, the algorithm takes over, and then they look at how much watch time is it having, how much engagement does it get, all of those types of things, how many likes does it get, and all of that type of stuff is what actually keeps your video up there and ranking. Just be careful when you're doing this type of tactic where you're just doing loads and loads of events that not many people will engage. And the main thing that I have an issue with on products like this is this video is going to be such low quality. How would you expect people to actually watch it and then take an action in your description, which is at the end of the day is where your affiliate link is going to be to actually go ahead and buy a product. Now you think about the types of videos you watch online and you watch on YouTube. How many times have you gone over and watched some crappy image-based video and then actually gone and pressed something? It's not very likely, you know, and it's not a way to build a proper business. But this is the aim of this product. So you can go ahead and pick a live event here. You can schedule it, and then you can add all your videos and your thumbnails. But again, this is one of the upgrades. And again, this is another slight issue I have with this is a lot of this functionality seems to be in the upgrades, not on the front end. So it appears that all of this is what you're actually getting on the front end, but it's not. So if I just go back to the video, let's have a look if that's been done yet. No, it's still rendering. We'll come back to that. What you have here as well is this ClickBank search and top products. Now, this allows me to go into ClickBank and basically search for products in whatever keyword I have. So if I just look at money and go ahead and look at that, it'll tell me all the products that are actually in ClickBank and are making money. And obviously if I can search by gravity here, which is a good indication of if something is selling, and you can come along here and kind of look at the types of products that are selling on ClickBank. Now, I didn't think this was too bad actually. I thought this was interesting. Now you can do all of this in ClickBank. Just go to ClickBank and do exactly the same thing. So you don't need this, and you don't need anything on here. You don't need anything in this product to have a business on YouTube where you publish videos and drive traffic. None of this product is needed. But this is okay as far as, you know, if you are going to buy an interface like this, it's easy to use and it's at your fingertips. So again, I'm going to go on here, video creation, because JVZoo is normally a platform that's good for that kind of software. And it gives you lots of different types of video creation tools. Now, if I look at product popularity, this is the YouTube stats. So this will, if I kind of look at the YouTube stats, well, there's no YouTube stats for this one, but if I look at product popularity, this will tell me where it's been mentioned in other social media platforms. So again, nothing on that. It may be because it's a very specific keyword. You can come along here and look at the sales page, and if you want to be an affiliate for this, you can press this and go off and be affiliate. So again, you don't need it, but this is slightly different from ClickBank as well. Just as an aside, it doesn't give you any kind of indication of how well this is selling. You'd have to do a little bit more research. Let's have a look at this one. I wonder if it's giving me any product popularity on this one. So yeah, it gives me a little bit more data on this one. Tells me the types of videos that are being published for this. Most of these are going to be reviews, as you see. but it kind of tells me where this is being and what kind of related keywords that you potentially could use to go ahead and sell this. So again, a lot of this data is going to just confuse you, I think, but I'm not going to be too down on that piece because it's okay. Same thing for Warrior Plus. You can go in and have a look at the top sellers, the daily feeds, and you can look at the marketplace and go ahead and search by vendor or by actual keyword. So that's fine. And then you got this product sentiment analysis. Now if I look at, I don't know, email marketing, then it's telling me that I won't pretend to be an expert on this. Apparently this is 52% strength, 9-2 sentiment, 11% passion, and 51% reach. 3 hours average per post. Last post 29 seconds ago, 31 unique authors. So obviously it's kind of a way that you can look at your niche and figure out how popular it is. So what if I write something like TikTok? So look, TikTok is more popular, I think, looking at this. Although, having said that, there's no passion for it, which is a shame. So just come back and I want to write something different in there, see what result we get. So let's just have a look at video marketing instead. So video marketing apparently is 4.6, 46% strength, 11% passion, 45% reach. Maybe the trainer will explain this a little bit more, but I'm not really sure what use this is to me. If I want to look at what is actually popular on YouTube, which in the end of the day is where you're actually going to be actually posting to, just come over to YouTube and write video marketing. And then you can very quickly see if you've got any tools like TubeBuddy that I use or vidIQ, which is completely free. You just come along here and you can have a look at what the highest views are, what the average views are, what kind of volume it's getting, what kind of competition it's getting. You don't need any of this software to be able to tell you this. These tools that are free on the front end will tell you all this information anyway. And then you just look at, ideally you would like to have okay type search volume but low competition, and this is very quickly going to tell me whether it's worth going for. In this case, it's telling me it's poor and it's probably not worth going for because there's too much competition. So then I look at different keywords on here, agency, ads. I just look at various ways that I can maybe use different keywords to go ahead and make this a better video to make. Simple as that. So you don't really need that sentiment tool, whatever that sentiment tool is. Maybe I'm old school, but I don't think you need that. So let's go and have a look at our video again, see if it's been done. There you go. Let's have a look at it.
A click B0 a galzig 15 I gorvzybe 2 all b equals.
I have no idea what that was.
A click B0 a galzig 15 I gorvzybe 2.
Okay, so you can hear by the voiceover. The voiceover isn't very good, and they never are. These AI voiceovers aren't very good. I think Speechelo was a product recently that's improved it a little bit, but essentially these voiceovers are never good. It's always better if you can do it yourself because it's more natural. And the videos, you know, it makes videos, but they're just cheap. Well, the dogs are quite cute. It's just cheap and nasty videos. So I'm not sure how you would really build a business on YouTube making this type of video. And then as I come down here, I had a look at the product sentiment analysis. Let's just take a look at the video analysis. You can come in here, you go over and just put learn to jump higher. And then what it does, it brings all of the various YouTube videos that are around that keyword. So you can see that what kind of views it's got, what kind of likes it's got. But then when you actually look at the video, obviously you can only produce images videos out of this. This is the type of video that would come at the top.
4 exercises to jump higher. For people wonder.
You see this type of video that's actually ranking and getting lots of views. This is a live video with people who are actually speaking. They're actually going to teach you how to do this. Much more engaging, much higher quality. That's why they rank. Trying to put a image-based video up against some of these videos. It's the same in every niche. I'm not just picking on this niche because it happens to have live demonstrations. You need to have engaging videos these days that people want to come along and watch. And this software does not produce them. So guys, let's just have a quick look at the sales page. I come down here, it's the usual click. You know, you can get things done in minutes, get free traffic within minutes. It's not really the case, but you don't need to use social media. No list building required. Well, you need to build a list if you're going to have a business online. It's the way that it works, I'm afraid, whether that's going to be subscribers on YouTube, whether that's going to be an email list, social media followers. You need to have a following. It's the only real way you make any money with affiliate marketing is being able to promote to people on an ongoing basis. Again, 1, 2, 3, click, 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 everything's easy. And then we have some of this income proof. All of the folks that are obviously leaving testimonials for this, you know, all of them. And then we get to kind of this piece of income proof here now, as this is exactly what people like you are able to do thanks to Onyxx. And I looked at another product they did a couple of months back called VidViper, which is taking web pages and make them into videos. It's got exactly the same income proof. So is this income proof coming from this product, or is this income proof coming from this product? And it's just lazy. It's lazy marketing. Obviously, these income proofs don't mean anything because they're not relevant to the actual product that they're trying to sell you. But unfortunately, if you're new and you're looking at this for the first time, you are directly relating this kind of income to this kind of product, and it's not true. So people need to kind of step back and realize what's happening here. Okay guys, so here's the upgrades. Now, I'm actually going to leave the details of each of these upgrades in the description below, just to save time on this particular review. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and check it out. I'm not going to leave a link down there. I'm not interested in promoting this product because I don't think it's going to bring you any value. But if you are interested in checking it out, you can go and see the details there. The front end is $17. Onyxx Advance is $47. The Onyxx Expert is $47. The Done For You edition is $47. The reseller package is $197. The Onyxx 6-figure training is $47. And the Onyxx case study is $37. Now the pros, the software works. I've seen it working. It does produce videos. There is a 30-day guarantee. The training's fine. Some of the parts of the training are pretty good. And the affiliate site search function is not bad. It's not actually needed because you can just go into ClickBank and JVZoo and Warrior Plus and do that yourself. You don't need to have a piece of software do it for you. But to have it all in one place does make it convenient. Whether it's worth paying $17 for is up to you. So guys, here are the cons. So I don't think you're going to get much traffic with this. You may get a little bit because live events do rank, but they always look very spammy to me. And if you've not got a quality video that's behind that live event, who's going to bother to keep watching them? If you look at somebody's channel and all it is live event after live event and spammy horrible thumbnails, then I don't think this is a good business on YouTube. It's not going to be something you can be proud of. It creates very low quality videos. You've seen that. They're just image based, very low quality. Again, I don't like these spammy tactics. You see sometimes on these types of reviews that somebody would have put up 4 or 5 live events and there's nothing underneath them apart from the link to the product. It's just such a poor way to kind of go about doing business. Sales page is very misleading. I told you the income proof. They need to decide which income proof they're going to put on these sales pages because they're just going to repeat it time and time again. And I don't think any of this is actually needed, guys. You can do all of this on YouTube. You can search for videos. You can create live events. You can create videos on your laptop just using any kind of free software. And you can go into any of those big affiliate networks and search for the products, and you'll probably get a lot more detail around those products. So I personally don't think any of this is needed. So I'm going to give this a 3 out of 10, again, because it's a low quality video creator, and I don't really think it's needed. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, these reviews are based on my own opinion. Feel free to go ahead and look at the other reviews, although I'm pretty sure that 99% of them will be positive with bonuses. Feel free to go ahead and take their advice. But for now, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you've been over to my channel before, please go ahead and hit subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce videos just like this one. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using traffic from YouTube, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.